What's up, y'all? It's Hood Home Improvement here with another video. I'm about to show you how if your dog fucks up your wall, your kids fuck up your wall, a chair fucks up your wall, however the wall get fucked up, I'm gonna show you how to fix it, you feel me? Everything you need is from either Dollar Tree or Home Depot. Home Depot, you need two things. White bucket them up with the green top, and you need a drywall square, 2x2, $5, $10 total. And anything else you need, I'm gonna make sure that I put it in the description below. Now, first things first, before you do anything, my nigga, make sure you smoke a blunt, because whoever fucked up your wall got you pissed off, and that shit it's gonna make everything worse, bro. Trust me. All right, man. Come on now. Let's get started. First thing is the hole, man. You gotta make sure you square it off. Square it off and clean it up. You feel me? That's very important, because what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a Band-Aid, right? We're gonna cut the approximate size of the hole out the back of it and just peel the paper off. Just watch and learn, big dog. I got you. And that's what you see me doing here, man. Once I get that all cut out off the back of it, we gonna snap and we gonna peel that paper. Snap, peel that paper. Snap, peel that paper. And it might not fit the first time, so you might have to do a little bit of shaving with your knife, but that's all right, dog. It's gonna fit right in there. And when it do, we gonna take some mud, smack it all over the back of it, on that wall, right underneath that paper. And then we gonna squeeze that mud out and make sure that that paper stays flat onto the wall. That's very important. Make sure the paper is flat onto the wall. Now, after you get that done, you wanna start putting mud on top of it, kind of blending it in. And then, you know what I'm saying, that's the real simple part. After that, you hit it with the hairdryer for about 15 minutes, sand it down, and you good to go. Just make sure you like, share, and subscribe if you fuck with me. I fuck with you. Hood Home Improvement.